Do you want to become a product designer? Although this might sound like another YouTube ripoff or YouTube scam, it's not. It's the idea of our community development program. Today I want to explain you a bit about the Enable 3D community development scheme or project, whatever it is. And the idea is basically we are not the smartest in the room and we don't have the best ideas. So we think that there are many more brighter people than we are out there in the community and who are far better in 3D printing, far better in designing, and we want to get your best ideas. This is where we came up with our program, and basically the idea is you submit your ideas, you make your own design, what helps you in the workshop, and we publish it on our channels and we publish it to our customers. And honestly, you don't earn anything with it, we don't earn anything with it, but it's a really nice, cool feature for the community and for the people out there and for everyone who wants to get the best organized workshop in the world. So, let's have a look how it works, and it's quite easy. You can find all the information, currently I think only in German, we probably have to work on that, on our homepage wiesemann1893.com. Just go over to Enable 3D and have a look under Community Development. So the idea is basically create and share. So you have a really good product idea or holder idea or storage idea, submit it to us. It would be perfect if it's already an STL file, and because we need to make test prints. And the idea is it's either product related, so you have a good storage idea for a tool product, or for something more general, like a storage box system and everything basically that is 3D printable. So the idea is it has to be something related to tools and storage. It has to be compatible with our products, or it is general. You submit it as an STL file, as I already said, and it's according to our style guide. You can download it on our homepage. You find it here. And of course, it has to be very easily printable. And of course, we try to save as much filament as possible. So it's just like technically a good design. And after that, you of course get all the credit, or at least as much as possible. And for example, if we publish something on Thingiverse, we always say who was the developer, and we put on a homepage, say who was the developer, and you get this really cool small community development badge. Who's this program for? I guess currently the people are primarily engineering and design students who have really good ideas and want to collect something for their portfolio, but basically it can be anyone with good ideas and an idea on how to print stuff and how to design it. So just shoot us a couple of emails or put your best ideas directly down in the comments of the video, or maybe you already have an idea but you don't know how to develop it, so put it into the comments and we'll forward it to our current community designers. And yeah, let us know what your best ideas are and let's get creative. So thanks for watching, thanks for considering about the community development program. Have a look on our Insta page. Like and subscribe to the video, and if you want to really get into it, follow us on Thingiverse and join the Thingiverse group. And yeah, thanks for watching.